Your friends invite you to an expensive dinner, a weekend trip, a concert with $300 tickets. You check your bank account. You know you shouldn't go, but what do you say? Most people lie. I'm busy that night. Maybe next time. I already have plans. Excuses. White lies. Anything to avoid the truth, because talking about money feels embarrassing. Admitting you can't afford something feels like failure, so you hide it. Or worse, you go anyway. You put it on a credit card, you tell yourself you'll figure it out later, and then you stress about it for weeks. This is quiet budgeting, and it's keeping people broke. But there's another way. It's called loud budgeting. And it's changing how an entire generation talks about money. Loud budgeting is simple. Instead of making excuses, you tell the truth. That's not in my budget right now. I'm prioritizing saving this month. I'm sitting this one out because I'm paying off debt. No shame, no apology, just honesty. And here's what happens when you try it. People respect you for it. Most of your friends are probably struggling too. They're just not talking about it. When you speak up first, you give them permission to be honest too. Suddenly, the conversation shifts. Instead of pretending everyone has unlimited money, you start talking about real goals, real challenges, real progress. Loud budgeting isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. It's about knowing what you're working toward and protecting it. When you're clear on your goals, saying no becomes easy. You're not rejecting your friends. You're choosing your future. Here's how to start. Step 1. Know your numbers. You can't loud budget if you don't actually have a budget. Open the Finance Reset Toolkit. See exactly where your money is going, set your goals, know your limits. When someone invites you somewhere expensive, you already know the answer before you even think about it. Step 2. Practice the phrase. It feels awkward at first, but the more you say that's not in my budget, the easier it gets. Start small. Use it once this week. Watch how people respond. Most of the time, they'll respect it. Sometimes they'll even change the plans to something more affordable. Step 3. Find your people. Loud budgeting works best when you're surrounded by people who get it. If your friend group pressures you to spend money you don't have, that's a problem. Real friends respect your boundaries. Real friends want you to win. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes loud budgeting effortless. You see your goals every time you open it. You know exactly what you're protecting. No more guessing. No more guilt. No more excuses. The toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that shows what happens when you stay disciplined.
And stop whispering about money.
Start loud budgeting. Link in the description to take control. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.